Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video will be on this beautiful tutu skirt for our princesses. If just like I mentioned in the video, if you want yours to be fuller than this, please increase your net yardage of net you're going to be using. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it to subscribe, and let's get straight into the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making use of this gold net. I have two shades of gold net here. So this is what I have. This one is a harder one and this is a softer one. The reason why I'm going to be using these two is because this is what I want. My main fabric is not going to be enough, so I'm going to layer it with this one under it, and this is our lining. So I'm just trying to make this tutorial with whatever I have at home for this tutorial. And if you are going to be buying yours, please buy one color of fabric, because let's say you want to layer with different colors, like step by step, right? So I have here, I think, about 2 years of net, if it's not less than. So this depends on how old you are working with. If you're working for a bigger child or an older child, I would advise you use 2 years of 3 years, 4 years. That depends on how full you want it to be. And I have 1 yard of net here, 1 yard of satin here. This is satin, so I'll be using it for my lining and also for the band for the waist. So you're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fold it so that we'll be able to cut it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and fold this net, and whatever I have here, I don't know if I mentioned it's a soft net, so whatever I'm going to do here, I'll do to the other net. So I'm going to fold from the longest part of this net. So I'll hold on to this edge. I don't want to be cutting a long strap of net or a long fabric length of net, so I'll hold the two edges and then I'll go ahead and fold it into two. I believe you guys can see, right? So I'll fold it into two, you can see, and then I'll go ahead and fold it over again this way. So you see it's smaller now, and then I'll fold over this way again, so that when I'm cutting it, I'll have just tiny line to cut. So I'm going to fold it properly because it seems like it's not folded well. So I'll go fold it well, and then I'll come back with whatever I have. So go ahead and fold yours this way, so you don't have to go ahead to be cutting a long fabric. Okay guys, the lights went off and we are going to move to a different location. So you can see my net is more like a long fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and measure the length of this skirt. So for the length of this skirt, the length of this skirt is 15 inches, but I want to have a 1.5 inches band from here, and then I also need ½ inch to join the band from here. So I'll place my tape at 1 inch at the beginning, so by the time I use ½ inch to join it, I'll be left with that 1.5 inches. I hope you understand this. So my tape, I will be starting from 1 inch, and then I'll go ahead and measure the length of this gown, which is 15 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut, which is 16 inches, sorry. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. So this is the 16 inches that we have. So we are not going to be hemming this, that's why I added just ½ inch here. So I'll use this to cut the remaining ones. So I'll just place it this way and then I'll cut. So I'm done with every part. So guys, I'm done cutting the whole pieces. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because my net is not so long, that's why I have 5 pieces here. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to open this up. So I'm going to be gathering this together because this net is not thick. Excuse me. So I'm going to gather it together. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange every pieces of my gown, of my net. Well, you can see the way I'm placing it, and it's I said I'm going to be putting this under this one. So I'll go ahead and arrange all of them just the way you see me arranging, making sure that this end is together. Then I'll run a loose stitch here and then pull it to gather it. So I'll be gathering it together just like you see me arrange this. That's what I'm going to be doing for the 3 nets. Okay guys, I've cut out my band for the satin. From the satin we're going to be using as our lining. So I cut out, the width of this is 2 inches. When you open it up is 4 inches. So I'll fold it this way, and then I'll stitch down by ½ inch, so that we'll be able to use that ½ inch to attach our net. So this ½ inch, you're going to insert an elastic here. So that's what I'm going to stitch ½ inch all the way from here to the end. Hey guys, this is the stage we are. So just like I said, if you want yours to be fuller, you increase your net. You can see mine is not so full. You can even see the satin from here. So this is what we have. and I also attach the satin to it. So I wanted to attach the satin to the waistline. And then for the band, I don't know if I mentioned that the band should be your hip measurement plus your stitching allowance, so that it can, when the child wants to pull it up or to wear it, it should pass through the hip. I don't know if I mentioned that. So I've already stitched down this half of an inch. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to place this way, front facing front, and then stitch it all the way to the end. There's another method to do this, but this is a simpler way. If you stitch it down, you serge this part, and you don't have to like stitch and then turn and stitch again. Sorry, so you stitch all the way to the end.
So guys, this is what we have at the end of the day. You can see I'm done stitching the band to the skirt. I'm going to go ahead and serge all these rough edges. Just like I said, we are going to be doing an easy beginner friendly pattern. So the elastic I'm going to be using is 1 inch elastic, and what I cut out is my waist measurement, minus 1.5 inches to 2 inches. You can do more if you want it to be more tight. So I'm going to put my safety pin and start passing it through the skirt band. So I'll pass it in, I'll push it to the, I exhaust this elastic, and then I'll stitch it down at this point, and then I'll pull out the remaining one, and then I'll also secure it at this point. Once I am done with that, I'll go ahead and do facing front, and then I'll stitch it all the way from beginning to the end. So guys, this is what we have at this point. Our skirt is ready. If you want, just like I mentioned, if you want yours to be fuller, please do where to increase your net so that it will be more fuller. So you go ahead and iron this out to lay it flat. And that's it for this style. I hope you find value in it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos to family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You can go ahead and attach your bow if you want it.